Today I'm going to make a video on how to mix mehendi henna for your grey hair. See, I have a lot of grey hairs. Generally apply Nupur henna mix. I find this very healthy and very organic rather than using any chemicals or any dye for your hair. I feel Nupur Godrej Mehendi is good. I've been using it from years. So I'll just show you how to mix it and also eventually how to apply. So this comes with a mixture. They have added a lot of ingredients like hibiscus and multiple other organic stuffs like which actually is very healthy for your hair. So I feel good and I'm comfortable rather than using hair dye. So I'm just showing you how do I mix and how later eventually how to apply. These are few of the products, few of the stuffs. I'm just putting the mehendi to the bowl. Take the quantity which is required. If you have a real thick long hair, then you have to take the content more. But then mine is thick but little short. So just make sure that you can apply two to three thick coats. So you will get an idea once first time you mix it. Okay. So I'm using this grated beetroot juice. So this will give a burgundy kind of an color, which I just like. Um, it all depends. If you this is optional. If you want, you can put the beetroot juice. Otherwise, no. And I generally put the curd. The curd acts as a conditioner, uh, which I just love. I like it if my hair is really silky, smooth kind of a thing. So the curd gives the conditioning effect. It's a natural conditioner, so I prefer natural conditioning. So and also if you want you can add coffee decoction like coffee filter kind of a thing, coffee filter. So coffee filter also makes the color, the mehendi color little darker. So if you don't like anything, you can just mix the Nupur mehendi with the regular lukewarm water. You should use lukewarm water because lukewarm water helps the soaking of mehendi and helps it to release the color quickly. So, and this Nupur mehendi has lot of ingredients, natural ingredients like hibiscus flower powder and multiple other stuff which helps in conditioning of your hair. So I've been using this Nupur mehendi for quite a long time. I generally apply like 2 months once or so. So mix it well and keep it aside for close to around 2 hours. Minimum 1 hour if you're in a hurry, but preferably 2 hours so that it is well soaked before you apply. So this is the product I'm just showing you again, and I'm using the regular curd, and I've put this grated beetroot juice, and then I've used, if you don't have curd you can also put 2-3 spoons of oil as well. It gives conditioning effect. And I've added coffee decoction. You make that coffee decoction to make coffee, right? The filter coffee one. So that adds the color. So mix it in such a consistency that it is uh, good enough to apply. So if you feel that it has become thick after some time, you can add some more lukewarm water, sufficient water, just like a dosa batter. You make it in such that condition, little thicker than that, so that it won't drip out of your hair when you apply. Little thicker, not very thick. This is little thick, but I'm just going to add some more lukewarm water, mix it and keep it aside. Thank you, and I'll also show you how to apply as well. Thank you. Thanks. So the mehndi is soaked. I soaked it for almost 2 hours now. Now it's ready to apply. So generally what I do is I wear a apron kind of a stuff, which is actually a old 90 which I've kept it for this kind of stuff. If you're alone and if there's nobody to help you, how to apply is what I'm just showing to you today. So just so that your dress does not get dirty, just put it over and clip clip it here. Switch off the light. That's it. Okay. I'm using this brush, okay, to partition. So just focus on the areas where you have lot of gray hair. For me, it's right here on top. So first, what I'll do is I'll apply a thick coat here. So you don't have to worry that your dress is getting dirty, because all around to the back also it's all covered. So you're safe. Your dress is not going to get dirty. So I prefer to wear hand gloves. So I'll just get the other one. So this is the hand gloves. Preferably I like to put it to both the hands, because see, this one I've not used the hand gloves. So you'll get the hand gloves in the medical shop, the nearby medical shop. You'll get the plastic ones also, whichever you prefer. You can pick the one, and then this kind of a brush is actually helpful, because you just turn around, you partition the hair, and then you apply. And for me, right on top of the head is where I have a lot of gray hair, right here. So I'll be applying 2-3 coats of mehendi. So if your hair is really thick, then you'll have to mix a good amount of mehendi. And as I told earlier, when you apply mehendi, don't wash with shampoo. Just wash it with water, lukewarm water, or hot water. But don't use any kind of shampoo, because the color will get drained. So after washing, after one day, when you take head bath, the next day use the shampoo. And since I've used curd, your hair will be smooth, it will be conditioned, so you don't have to worry. Little bit of mehendi fragrance will be there. If you can tolerate that, then it is fine. Some people who cannot tolerate the mehendi smell, you can still use the shampoo, but if you want a little dark color and the color, good color, then you have to avoid using shampoo. So I apply like 2 months once, so it's not a regular stuff, but whenever I feel that okay, it is like too much, I apply. I don't prefer the dye, because too much of chemical and you'll have lot of skin allergy with time, not immediately though. So once you apply this portion, just take some mehendi, then run your fingers over it, so all the roots and all the gray hair gets packed. So you apply it. So this is for people who don't have an option where somebody is there to help you to apply, or you can go to the nearest parlor, take the mix and get it applied. They will charge around $100 or 200, I'm not sure. So generally I apply it by myself. So the rest of the areas, what you can do is you can take strips like this, strip of hair, and then take the mehendi, apply it full like this. Okay, so in case if your skin gets contacted, don't worry, it will not stay for long, just wipe it off. Okay, so likewise, just so I focus more on the place where I've got a lot of gray hair. For people who have gray hair all over the head, then probably you have to mix a good amount of mehendi. First finish the roots, then apply. See, first I did partition, I applied, then I took good amount of mehendi and I just massaged kind of a thing, so that it gets spread all over. So that's it. So So I will keep this tied for almost like 1.5 hours or so. Then I'll take a quick bath. Then I'll not use shampoo, so that I like a dark color, so that so that all the gray hairs is all colored kind of a thing. That's it. So I'll come back to you with another video. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, share, like. Thank you. Bye. So I have just applied it all over. I just repeat the ingredients what I've used. It is Nupur Mehendi. Then I've used beetroot juice. I've grated the beetroot, and then I've taken the juice and I've put the juice. I've taken one beetroot and I've grated, and I've squeezed the entire beetroot juice. Then I've used curd for conditioning. So I like the natural conditioning curd. So I've used around half a cup, kind of a, like 10 to 4 to 5 spoons for per person. This time I've mixed it little more, so I had actually mixed it for 2 people, so I have used half a cup. The more the curd, there's nothing to worry. It helps in conditioning, like smoothing your hair. Third is I've used coffee decoction, the coffee filter, the filter that you get it from coffee powder while making coffee. So I've used the coffee filter, which actually adds color to your hair. So actually you can use just the Nupur Mehendi. It is good enough because it has lot of other ingredients like hibiscus flower and lot of other eucalyptus and multiple other components in it, which is actually good for your hair and healthy for your hair. Applying maybe every 10 to 15 days or monthly once or monthly 2 months wise, your hair will be healthy, and it helps your hair to grow well, and you'll feel good. Your hair will be conditioned most of the time. Mehendi is kind of a conditioner also. Like it helps your hair, like it keeps your hair healthy. That's it. Thank you so much. And so 2 tips: soak it at least for 1 to 2 hours before applying and mix it with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water helps to release the color from the mehendi. And the second tip is, don't wash it with shampoo the day you apply the mehendi. Wash your hair with shampoo the very next day. So these are the 2 tips. That's it. Thank you. Okay, I just washed my hair. See, you can see all the gray hair has got colored, and it's a kind of a burgundy brown, which I think I like it. So you can also try and like my video if you like it. See, here was a major portion where it was great, and it's got colored very nicely, and it will be little rough today because you have not shampooed it, but by tomorrow once you shampoo it, it will be